What's up, YouTube? It's your boy SEDUCTIVESOLES coming at you. Got a new pickup, fresh off the FedEx truck, not even 5 minutes ago. Released last week, the Yeezy 350 V2 Israfil, or however you say it. I don't know. Hard to pronounce, but you get the point. I took them out the box to speed up the process. As always, you got your label with your size, your barcode, your product number, made by Adidas. Turn to the side. Boost. On the top it says 350. Of course, on the other side of the box it says Yeezy Boost 350, made by Adidas. Now let's go ahead and get into these. Got your tag with a bunch of different languages, few instructions. Now, inside the box, I noticed a little package, and then I seen that the shoes look individually wrapped. So it's not, but it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out and see what we're working with. And flip that over. Now here we go. First hand look. Now I opened the box to look at them, kind of cheated, but I like the way they look. They like that cloud. It's like a bluish grayish color. Only thing I'm not a fan of is this orange right here. But as always, it's fabric, mesh, whatever you want to call it. So you're not going to see any mistakes with the glue on them. Turn it around. Same, it always have two different colors in the back. You can see a little glue right there. On the other shoe, you don't. Turn it. Side view. I think it's a pretty nice color. It's like a light gray color. And I haven't got any recent Yeezys. This is the first pair in a while. So we got your tag right here with your QR code. Yeezy Boost 350 V2. Your product number, male, size 11. This is a US 11 and a half. In UK it's 11. Your barcode, the same stuff as always. On the insole it says Adidas Yeezy. Adidas Yeezy. Now I noticed one thing, and I thought this was pretty cool. You see this rubber on here? It's almost like a lace lock that come with the Jordans. You just lace up your shoes, and then you put your ends inside there, which makes a lot of sense. And I thought that was pretty cool. So then, you see, let me see if I can turn it to the side so you can see. Yeah, you see it. See the inlets in there, or the lace tips. So then come back to this little packet that I was so curious about. Let's turn this to the side so you can see that I was so curious about. So I opened the packet, and bam, it's an extra pair of laces, which appears to be the same color. So I'm guessing these laces might be longer than those, or they might be the same size, but who knows. But I thought that was pretty cool that they send an extra pair of laces inside a little envelope with the little rubber things to keep your laces in. But yeah, on the bottom the same thing, two colors. Got your boost material, says Adidas. See if you can get on the inside to see the tag. You can see your size tag on the inside. Your QR code to scan, product number, your size. These are for males. But yeah, that's a new look. First look at the Yeezys. Again, I don't know how to say the name, but they released last week. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.